And welcome. Today we're going to look at the Xiaomi Sound Pocket. We can see there is a 5 watt speaker. It allows you to connect wirelessly with another one. 10 hours of playtime, IP67 battery, built-in microphone. That's really cool. So you're getting a USB-C to A for charging, instructions, and the speaker itself. So this is the speaker itself. It has a little rubber handle in there, the passive radiator, Bluetooth and power on the bottom, some rubber fit so it will stand like that, and in here you have the charging port, USB-C, and the play, pause, volume rocker. So let's go ahead and turn it on. You might disconnect my video. So that's the sound that it's doing, and I think now it's in pairing mode. Yep, it didn't come up yet on the Android phone I have, so let's just go and pair it. Side with the Xiaomi speaker. I don't know what it's called now. Yeah, and we're gonna test it. So let's just turn it on. I'm gonna record with the glasses. Like usual, we're gonna play this song. Volume kind of middle. A lot of noise around. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Okay, let's just go for it. Maximum. My room, my world's so bright. It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Let's see how loud it is if we go away. You can still hear it. Even from here. So it definitely sounds. There's a sound to it. I mean, it's more for close. Like you put it on your picnic blanket, and that's it. I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. So yeah, there you have it. And I think it sounds so similar to the JBL. So I'll show you in just a minute. Guys, there they are. Similar socket size, actually it's exactly the same size. The JBL Go 5 and the Xiaomi speaker. Can't remember what it's called now, but yeah, let's just try again. Let's try this song. Not sure which one starts, but we'll see in just a second. So this one, Xiaomi. Let's see. They sound exactly the same. Like I don't see. They're both quite low in 50s. Let's just increase this to the maximum, and then put this to the maximum as well. So now the Xiaomi.
tape my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee?
JBL.
Inside my own world of make-believe, kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Xiaomi.
Redemption, honesty, it's one way.
Yeah, so they sound so similar. The only thing I could notice that this one has a bit more open stage sound than this one. But in terms of loudness, they both go exactly the same. And you won't, if you don't have the JBL, you won't really miss out anything because you'll get used to the sound from Xiaomi and it still sounds really good. So yeah, let's just have a last listen. So the JBL.
Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Xiaomi. Yeah guys, there you have it, both shaking from the bass, both small speakers. You can't go wrong with any of them, and to be honest, the price is not bad. This one is definitely cheaper, but this one is not that expensive either. So which one you prefer? This one has RGB lights, kind of. This one doesn't, but if you just want a speaker based on sound and portability, they both weight pretty much the same and they both sound so similar. The only thing is this one definitely has an open stage sound. This one probably sounds more like the JBL Go 4. Yeah, the JBL Go 4. So yeah, there you have it. Thanks for watching.